Hello, everyone. My name is Jermaine Brewer, and today I got a good one for you. So, we are talking about marketing cloud growth or advance, and a lot of times people want to know how can I see the population of my segment? So, basically, who's in my segmentation when I run my segmentation? Well, I got an answer for you today. So, let's go ahead and go to a segment here. And I'm just gonna go to my lead status is working segment. And just to kind of show you what I have, here's my population. I have 16 people, but at this point, it only tells you how many you have, right? You might want to spot check or confirm that this segmentation is pulling in the right individuals. So one thing you do want to make sure is that segment on is unified individual. So if you're using your segmentations in Marketing Cloud Growth, this needs to be unified individual. Now, if you're just using Data Cloud side of the business and you're doing segmentations over there with other tools or platforms, then you can segment on bit different objects. But it's important to know in Marketing Cloud Growth, it's all about unified individual. All right. So if we want to see the attributes that I have set up here, we can just select edit rules. And it's just a very simple rule that we have here. So think of your attributes are just like custom fields or default fields, right? It's just data that you have about your leads or your contacts. So if you notice here, we got, last modified day, last name, first name, industry, job title. So we have different things here. And so all I did was I took lead status over here on the left. That was under unified individual under direct attributes because it is a direct attribute of that lead object. And I just dragged it over here, lead status, and I did contains working. So just to kind of show you what that looks like, we have lead, party individual, unified individual, at least one record or one count. And then we have lead status contains working. And the reason I did contains here and not equals, because I could do equal to, or I could do begins with, or does not contain. So you have a lot of different options. But the reason I did contains is because my lead statuses, it includes more than working. It has other words that's part of that status. So I just did contains working because I don't have no other lead status that includes the word working. So we should be good here. So I'll go ahead and hit cancel. So once you create your segment, then you can go over here to your campaign, and I've already added it. So I go to my lead status is working campaign. Oh, sorry. I added it to another campaign, but just to kind of show you how this works, it'll work the same. I know the names is going to be a little different, but we'll go to our marketing director's campaign, for example, because it's already there. So here we go. We got our segment. It's called lead status is working. You notice it's published. So it does have to be published in order for you to see the population of this segment. So that's important. So if it wasn't published already, make sure you go ahead and select publish here. Once you do that, all you got to do is go to the preview tab right here. And voila, here you go. It shows all my 16 leads that I have in that status. So it gives me their first name, their last name, and their unified individual ID. Let's say if it returned more than 16 results and I wanted to do a search or a filter where we can search right here by first name or last name, or if you know the individual ID that you're looking for, you can go ahead and do that. And then you can just search for your members here. You also have the option to edit the rules here if you want to go change up things and maybe make it another lead status or another or add another attribute. And that's all I wanted to cover today. So hopefully you found this helpful and please subscribe to the channel because there will be more helpful videos coming for you. Thank you very much.